Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don promise say him go give more policy and financial support to children and adults wey dey live with autism. He tok say im government dey serious about inclusion and better healthcare for everybody. Na the coordinator of the Office of the First Lady, Edesili Okpebholo Anani, tok dis one during her goodwill message for the 2025 Autism Awareness Program wey happen on Monday for Festival Hall, Government House, Benin City. The theme of the program na Advancing Neurodiversity and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Mrs. Edesili Anani tok say society suppose begin put eye for people wey dey live with autism because dem dey suffer plenty discrimination when e come to better school, healthcare, work and even social life. She tok say the governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, don promise say dem go put more money and policy wey go help improve diagnosis, treatment and education for both children and adults wey dey autistic. She say dis one na part of the government plan to make health system better and make everybody feel included. She come beg everybody make them join hand build society where everybody go fit grow well, say make we embrace neurodiversity and dey value everybody no matter how dem be.
As we join the global community to recognize and celebrate the incredible potential and skills of persons living with autism, the theme, Advancing Neurodiversity, Diversity, and the UN Sustainable Development Goals reminds us that being considerate of people living with autism is not just a moral responsibility, but a vital pillar of sustainable development. As we strive to achieve the SDG goals, especially SDG 4 and 8, which covers access to quality education and economic opportunities for all, we must prioritize inclusive and support for individuals living with autism. Neurodiversity is a beautiful testament to human uniqueness, and every individual deserves the opportunity to excel. His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, the Governor of Edo State, has pledged to increase funding and policy support to strengthen diagnostic, therapeutic, and educational service for children and adults living on the spectrum. I think he deserves a round of applause. Underscoring the government's commitment to improving health and outcome and social inclusion. Many individuals with autism face discrimination in accessing quality education, healthcare, employment, and social acceptance. It is essential that we work together to create a society where every individual has the opportunity to thrive. We are here today to advocate for inclusion, support, and acceptance of individuals with autism. Let us provide them with the necessary resource and care to reach their full potential. By doing so, we can build a more inclusive and sustainable society for all. I urge all Edo citizens and residents to join me in embracing neurodiversity and promoting a society that values diversity and inclusivity. Let us raise awareness about autism and promote education that supports individuals living with autism. Let's work together to create a society that values and accepts neurodiversity. Let's provide individuals with autism the necessary support and care to reach their full potentials. Together, we can make a difference and create a brighter future for persons living with autism. Together we can, and yes, we can.
Edo State Commissioner of Health, Dr. Cyril Adams Oshomole, yarn during talk session with Tori people, say World Autism Awareness Day na time wey people for all over the world suppose show love and do something real to take help. He said their mission na to educate people and change how dem dey reason about autism. He talk say many autistic people for this generation don do plenty better things, and this program don also bring small relief to the parents wey dey raise autistic pikin. Say e no easy at all.
Today we are marking World Autism Day and looking at the Sustainable Development Goals. I want to take 2 of the 5 C's, community and care. You know, we come from a culture in which people believe that autistic children are either demonic or some of them term them as ogbanje or possessed. But I want to change the mindset of our people. We've seen great scientists of our generation and even past generation who are with their creative mind, even with the fact that they are autistic, have done great things in this generation. Even as we speak, there are scientists who are autistic, who are very wealthy, who have become employers of labor, who have become captives of industry. But we live in a country in where most of our autistic children are kept in their homes and making them, so to say, looking useless. But we want people to understand that these people have their certain ability. We are looking at them from the lens of their extraordinary ability, and that's why we are here today to educate our people and even give a kind of psychological relief to the parents, because I know it's not easy for a woman or a child, for a woman or a parent to have an autistic child. They need the community to embrace them. That's why I talked about the 3 C's of sustainability, looking at the community level and also under the aspect of care.
Coordinator of the 2025 Autistic Awareness Program, still tok say autistic children na special children, say dem get talent and gift. She tok say make we build society wey go carry everybody along, say e no good to hide autistic pikin, make we show dem love and support dem well well.
Autistic children are actually very, very special. They have a lot inside of them. They are gifted, they are talented. So we want a situation where we will have a society that is inclusive. They actually have so much in them. All we just need to do is to understand these children, show them love, acceptance, and then you see that very special thing in them we will be able to discover, and then you just find it happening. So they're very special, and they are actually wonderfully made. There's absolutely no need to hide an autistic child. There is just no reason for that. Bring the child out, let the child feel part of the society. They are children from God. So no parents should hide any autistic child. What we are trying to do here now is to create an awareness. It's the first kind in Edo State. It's never happened. Now we want parents out there to know that Edo State government, we have a responsibility looking after these children. We found out that they have special talents in them. Now, if you look across globally, even in the foreign world, there are top people today who are autistic. Is a spectrum. Elon Musk is autistic. Messi, the Barcelona player, is autistic. But because they're in the developed world, they were able to look at those things, find those things in them, and then they worked on it, and then they became someone today. Today we are celebrating them. So that's exactly what the Edo State government want to do. Identify these children, create facilities, bring out that talent in them, so that even here and beyond, they will go and they will shine, because they have something that God has put in them. So it's to discover that thing and then let it shine. So that's what the Edo State Governor, Monday Okpewulu, Senator, that is what he wants to do with these children, for these children. And even the Commissioner for Health and the First Lady, they have seen that it's a need for us to identify these issues with the children and then just portray that and then let them shine.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.